Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am a little bit louder than I usually am. I just am today. Welcome. So I thought I was deleting my channel, but I may not. It's very confusing. Sorry, anyways. I thought I was deleting my channel, but now I'm not. So I don't know why I'm talking very fast. Ooh, I just want a piece of chocolate. Oh, but anyway. Ugh, that wasn't good. Okay, I've got to find my camera holder, which is very hard, but we gotta find it. But yeah, I was gonna make a little slime video thing. Here it is, I found it. I just kind of wanted to play with a couple of slimes, you know, show you, know. So let me get one of them first. No, I'll get a couple of them. I'm scared to get one of them, so I'm not going to. What the heck? Wow, okay, I'm uncovered. So I just found slime all on the bottom of my bucket. When did I, wait. Oh, I picked up a lot. Okay, here's this first one that I made yesterday. Whoa, it's just a regular white slime, and it looks a little blue because I used Tide. Ow, for mine, I used Tide. Ew, and it's all sticky. I just made this. I am not the master at slime. You might think I am, but I'm not. And don't ask me what's wrong with my hair, because I don't know. Like if you like it, comment if you don't like it. So, a lot of people probably don't look at my channel anymore because they think I'm deleting it, but I'm not. So, what to do? I'm losing us to like 35 followers. Like, that would be amazing. Anyways, here's a snow slime. One thing I hate about snow slimes is they stick to the container. That's what happens for me, and I hate it. I don't know, like, what to call this. It's a green snow slime. It's very good. There's a lot more, kind of, but yeah. Next is this one I put in this container. It's very weird. It's this one. It's the same as the other one, except it's like not sticky. It's very glossy. Oh shucks. Sorry, hold on. Okay, it looks so glossy, but you can't hear it. It's very hard. But yeah, I got better slimes. I just couldn't grab them all. Oh my god, that scared me. That was my dog. Here's another snow slime. Oh, comment down below if I should do a Christmas list video of what I want for Christmas. This is probably the best snow. My dog. Okay, this actually comes out of the container though. This is the best snow slime I have. Like, look. That? Yes. I love it. But scared me to death. And yeah, that's it. I'll show you more of my slimes later. But yeah, thanks for watching.